No-lock policy, resident rights and emergency preparedness. Purpose. This policy is established to ensure the safety, dignity, and rights of all residents while maintaining compliance with fire safety regulations. It serves to educate both staff and residents on the importance of unrestricted access here on the Family Residential Care Home campus and the dangers associated with locking doors in a care facility. Policy statement. At no time shall residents be locked in their rooms or restricted from exiting any area of the facility. All doors must remain unlocked 24/7 in accordance with fire safety laws and to preserve each resident's right to free movement. Rationale. Resident rights. Every resident has the right to move freely throughout the facility without unnecessary restriction. Locking a resident in is a violation of their personal rights and can be considered unlawful confinement. Fire and emergency safety. Locked doors create a serious fire hazard. In the event of a fire, emergency, or evacuation, any delay due to locked doors could endanger lives. Regulations require all exits and access points to remain unobstructed and unlocked. Regulatory compliance. This policy aligns with state and federal fire codes, the Americans with Disabilities Act, ADA, and resident care standards. Responsibilities. Staff. Never lock a resident in a room or behind a closed door. Ensure doors remain unlocked and accessible at all times. Report any malfunctioning door locks or safety concerns immediately to Michael A. Walters, MBA, CEO and Administrator. Educate residents on safety procedures and respectful movement through shared spaces. Residents are encouraged to maintain safe movement throughout the building. May request privacy by closing their doors, but the doors must not be locked from the outside. Are encouraged to speak up if they ever feel restricted or confined in any way. Enforcement and reporting. Any violation of this policy should be reported immediately to the Administrator Michael A. Walters, or the Office Assistant on Duty or Human Resources. Violations may result in disciplinary action for staff and a care plan review for resident-related incidents. Staff training acknowledgement form. Policy. No-lock policy. Resident rights and emergency preparedness. I acknowledge that I have read, understand, and agree to comply with the no-lock policy, resident rights and emergency preparedness. I understand that. I must never lock a resident in any room or behind any closed area. All doors must remain unlocked 24/7 to ensure safety and emergency compliance. Violations may result in disciplinary action and compromise resident safety. I am responsible for reporting any unsafe conditions immediately. Thank you for watching. Let's all do our part to keep the environment safe and accessible for our residents and everyone here at the Family Residential Care Home. Remember, no locking doors. It's not just a policy, it's a safety measure. TFRCH, where the quality of care matters. Michael A. Walters, MBA, CEO, Administrator.